Today I'm at the Engineering Technology Group. I'm with Scott Ellesmere. I've got an exciting deal to tell you about on this Mitsubishi Spark Aroda. This is the SG12S. Before I tell you the offer on this machine, Scott's going to give us a quick overview of some of the, what I'd say is really good technologically advanced features that are on this machine. Scott, let's start with the rise and fall tank and the tool changer. Can you just give us maybe 30 seconds on these?
Yeah. So tool change capacity, 20 position tool changer is standard. I don't believe you can ever have enough capacity with tool changes. Rise and fall, three-sided tank, no swing door into the work area.
Well, I like that. I'm just going to actually
access,
pull this up as you can see.
Easy cover to put everything inside, making it very nice and easy for accessibility.
This tool changer here, you mentioned to me earlier about putting work pieces on there as well, using it as a palletization system potentially. That's a huge thing, isn't it?
Yeah, one of the biggest things that people overlook, especially in things like aerospace or maybe rally car subcontract, for example. Yeah, put the parts on the tool changer, electrodes on the table, you utilize a lot less of the machine space, you can get a lot more production done.
Okay, now 33% of the world's EDM machines, is that correct?
That's correct.
Mitsubishis. So there's obviously good reason for that. Another one of these points, and probably a reason for that too, is the materials that you can actually spark on this machine. Tell us what you can achieve and what you can do.
Yeah, so you've got a full carbide generator. You've got graphite adapter for the mold and die industry, sparking with graphite. There's technology for aluminium, for Inconel aerospace, copper-based materials such as your Mold Max for mold making, as an example.
So this machine could handle any of those materials?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, the final point I want to pick up on here as well is this control, because any machine you buy, you need to be able to get to grips with it quickly and find it simple to program. This really is very easy to use, isn't it? You know, the amount of CAN cycles that you have in here, even for things like gears, could you maybe just tell us how good it is?
Yeah, so it's quite intuitive, it's very graphical. The operator simply looks at what he wants to do. As you say, it could be a gear, could be a spline, undercut, side sparking, tunnel gates, sub gates, ribs, moldable ribs, and the control then leads him through things like the electrode material, the workpiece material, surface finish requirements, and it's literally search the technology, save it to the program, and go.
With these machines running a lot of hours, is the power consumption economical?
Absolutely, yes. Mitsubishi is world famous for power consumption, power saving, inverter pumps, drive systems.
Okay, now this machine is here available from stock, and it carries around about a 20% saving at the moment, doesn't it? Now, that's great, but people want to know the reason for that, Scott. Why is it?
So the reason behind it is, for years, HK Technologies has represented Mitsubishi here in the UK, and recently Engineering Technology Group has acquired HK Technologies. And part of that incentive, because we've now got a much bigger sales force to hand in the UK, as well as service and application support. So the factory and the European head office try to give us a little bit of help to kick things going. So anybody who's looking for a machine in the very near future should maybe come and have a look, because we've got some serious offers to do.
And you can come here to Wellesbourne and see it in action like you've been doing today, and then 20% saving. It's a pretty terrific deal from the Engineering Technology Group. Thank you very much, Scott.
Thank you.